But actually, I have a story coming up, which is an example of such a thing. And that's coming up next, which is that Amazon has partnered with Tile. So it ain't so crazy. What I'm saying is not so crazy. That they're doing battle out there, and they're trying to make these alliances, and they're trying to target one another. I mean, it obviously happens through acquisitions, through partnerships, and arrangements.
This is just a partnership, right? Amazon didn't buy Tile.
Amazon did not buy Tile. What they did is they granted Tile access to their mesh network for tracking items, which plugs into all the Amazon Echo products that are out there. Whatever their smart home stuff that's out there. Because one of Tile's main disadvantages against AirTags is the fact that you got a billion iPhones out there on the Find My stuff. And Tile is like a startup, which, well, they're 8 years old, but they're not tapped in that way. Their network is only other Tile devices. AirTags network is bigger than even AirTags.
Right.
By default, just right out the gate because of Find My iPhone.
Wow, this is a quick partnership.
I was talking about it 2 episodes ago.
Yeah.
I said the words Amazon. I said Tile needs to partner with Amazon.
AirTags came out like a week or 2 ago.
Well, but it's in development.
Sure,
they knew it was in development, so the conversations were ongoing. It's not like, but you're right. It is as far as putting out the release and making the deal.
Yeah.
But it's exactly what I thought. What do you do if you're Tile? You look for a partner that's bigger than you, who can. Now, I'm not saying it's going to work. There's very few footprints like Apple's footprints, and you just can't, like when we talk about a billion devices, there's a billion what out there?
Yeah.
As far as smart devices outside of iPhones, a billion what? I guess Android devices would be the other one. They could have partnered with Google, but a lot of speculation already exists that Google will just do their own tracking device. Anyway, Amazon partnered with Tile and a smart lock maker, Level, to beef up its mesh network for tracking items. The move will help Tile better compete with Apple, which has over 1 billion devices on its network for tracking items with new AirTags. So it is some type of free market warfare going on where it's like you gotta. When the news came out and they first went there and said we want a even playing field, we want Apple to play fair. It's like you can't do anything. You can't do anything. Apple's gonna do what they're gonna do, and they're gonna deliver for their customers. That's their only responsibility. So what do you have to do then? Well, you gotta do this. You team up and you try to improve your product through either getting acquired or creating a partnership, as they have done over here. So how this will work is it will enhance the tracking network for Tiles based on Wi-Fi and Bluetooth. And the strength of the number of devices on a given network is key to the accuracy of that network, which is, again, a huge advantage right now for AirTags. So having more devices online that it can ping off gives you a much higher likelihood of precision finding for the device. Amazon's partnership will also let it beef up its own tracking network by bringing all these Tile devices online. They call that network Sidewalk. So they'll let Tile devices tap into those Bluetooth networks created by those Echo products. This is going to start working on June 14th. So you're right, Will. They're getting it going fast. June 14th. And now you can see, you're on the website right now, and you see works with Alexa, and you see how they're doing the add-on on the product purchase page, leveraging their advantage, which is shopping. It's crazy stuff, man. It's all happening.
And then Tile gets pushed up into the find feature.
Absolutely. Tile can get preferential treatment on the website. It's unbelievable stuff, man. It's really complex and really interesting.
Yeah.